The Third War for Armageddon Orcs versus Imperium. The Third War for Armageddon began in 998 M41, when Gazkul Thraka led a massive Orc war against the industrial world of Armageddon. Millions died as Orcs clashed with Imperial Guard, Space Marines, and Titans. Despite heavy losses, the Imperium held the planet, but Orcs remain, turning Armageddon into an endless war zone. Gazkul escaped, vowing to return even stronger, ensuring the battle for Armageddon is far from over. The Octarius War. Orcs versus Tyranids. The Octarius War is an ongoing conflict between the Orc Empire of Octarius and Hive Fleet Leviathan. The Imperium lured the Tyranids there, hoping the two forces would destroy each other. Instead, both adapted and grew stronger, Orcs becoming deadlier and Tyranids evolving to counter them. Now the war rages endlessly, with no clear victor. If either side wins, the surviving force will emerge more powerful than ever, posing an even greater threat to the galaxy. The Fall of Cadia, 999 M41, 13th Black Crusade. The Fall of Cadia occurred during Abaddon's 13th Black Crusade, when Chaos forces launched a massive assault on the Cadian Gate, the Imperium's main defense against the Eye of Terror. Despite fierce resistance, Abaddon used the Blackstone fortresses to destroy Cadia. As the planet broke apart, survivors fled, and the Great Rift tore across the galaxy, splitting the Imperium in two. This battle marked the beginning of a new, darker era for humanity. The War in Heaven, pre-40k, Necrons versus Old Ones. The War in Heaven was a galaxy-spanning conflict between the Old Ones, powerful psychic beings, and the Necrontyr, who became the Necrons after allying with the C'tan. The Necrons and C'tan slaughtered the Old Ones, reshaping reality and weakening the Warp. This war led to the rise of Chaos, the creation of the Eldar gods, and the Necrons going into stasis for millions of years. Its consequences still shape the galaxy in Warhammer 40k. The Horus Heresy, 30k, galaxy-wide civil war. The Horus Heresy was a galaxy-spanning civil war in the 31st millennium, where Warmaster Horus led half of the Space Marine legions in rebellion against the Emperor. It culminated in the Siege of Terra, where Horus was slain, but the Emperor was mortally wounded. The Imperium survived, but was forever scarred, leading to the rise of the Imperium of Man as a brutal, oppressive regime. Chaos was cemented as an eternal threat, and the Space Marine legions were split into chapters. The Horus Heresy was the largest battle the Imperium has ever seen.